Welcome to Stacy J Studio. Thank you for popping in today. I hope you subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know you care. Oh, you care. You care.
Hi, I'm Stacy J, and this is my studio. And yes, I'm smiling. I just had to go back to the specialist today because I had to. They had to take stitches out, so stitches gone bigger. Just got to make sure that sits right up on my head. And I've chug-a-lugged 7 p.m. I don't need another drink until 7. I will have another drink. So anyway, there is a shop in the city and it's called the Fabric Store. And why do I know the name of that? It's because it's on the bag. So this is really quick. I was sitting in the waiting room at the specialist and they're on Vivian Street, and the Fabric Store is on College Street. Now they have moved. They were in a little back street area. Anyway, so I have one of my clients who has bought some fabric for me to make her mother of the groom. This is this one. Okay, so this is silk chiffon, darling. Okay, so I've got that to make this lovely outfit for her. But we had some choice of samples that she bought me for her. I vetoed what I wanted to veto, and I was left with 2. And they would have been really, really, really awesome. And she picked one. Okay, so I went there because this one was on special. Not this one I'm getting out now. That's going to be, see that in a minute. I must have felt real big FOMO. I have literally just watched, well, I didn't before I went in. I was watching Deb from Deb. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Deb. I'll put it up. Deb's sewing in something Australia. I know it. I watch her. DB Designs, that's it. Stop calling her Deb. Right. DB Designs in Australia, in Sewing Australia. So I was watching her and I watched her opening of the Christmas box that she got from the Dahlia Society. Oh, Mr. Christopher's home. And so I better do this before he sees. And yeah, a bit of FOMO with that beautiful cloth that she got. Anyway, so I bought this silk chiffon. I bought 4 meters. It was $10 a meter. I'm really, really happy with it. I loved it there. And she said, do you want me to pick you up somewhere? Because I don't go into the city much. But like, the specialist said, now, okay, so I want to see you again and I want to see you today. So when are you in the city? I said, when you tell me to be here, mate. So, yeah. So 4 meters of this. And it's so silky. Uh-oh. He's opened the door. I didn't buy any fabric.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. So, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
That second-hand fabric that you found in the back of the studio.
That's it, yeah, yeah.
That was just happened to be in the bag.
Just showed up in the nice bag, yeah. I got a sample for somebody else, but I saw this. Now, I'd been hunting, you know, my pink. Hold the pink thought. Hold that pink thought. My pink one of these. The paperboy hat.
Tomorrow I didn't buy any distilling equipment.
Tomorrow I didn't buy any distilling equipment. Right, okay. So, now I see marks all over me. That's like a really dark freckle. So I've got a pink one of these as well. But what Mum and I went looking for when we went looking for it was I wanted tweed. This is gorgeous. I got, pardon me, 2 meters of this, so I hopefully will have enough left over to make a hat. But I got 2 meters because I'm greedy. facts, because I'm greedy, and that I wanted to make a jacket. I'll probably make the Harriet jacket. It's also the same one I'm going to make with my precious fabric for my gorgeous Julie, who sent me that from Melbourne. Yeah, Melbourne. And I'm going to make it out of this too. And it's just lining and time. Who else has issues that holds them up with lining and time? Hands up. Put your hands up. Anyway, so I wanted to jump on. I don't want to wait until Friday. Today is Wednesday, the 20th of November. So I thought I would jump on now and tell you I have got a lot of work. I've got a suit to do. I have just finished a shirt. I've just cover stitched the bottom and shortened it for the gentleman. Well, actually, I don't really know him. I know his wife really well. It'll be head down, butt up. Don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. I might go and take a me day, a mental health day, possibly. That's what I've told everyone. I've cancelled any appointments for tomorrow. They're all not here. So in the meantime, I'm going to leave you with my Lush that I bought. I mean, seriously. But could you see me with and then, I mean, so I've not told you guys. Yeah, I'm just going to keep talking. I was watching Ruan today, and she said, she's going to try and keep it brief. She said she's been told that she talks a lot on there, and I went on there and said, you will not stop talking, please. You know, this is half the reason I tune into her. And I said, and if you don't like her talking, swipe up. I said, but don't swipe to my channel because I talk a lot too. Oh, could you imagine a scarf in this? La-di-da. Oh, a head scarfy thingy-majiggy. 4 meters. I got room to play. No. Anyway, could you imagine me with rollers and that? Not with this short hair, eh? So anyway, yeah, so I was going to prattle on about something. But anyway, I do love this. I loved it when my client showed me her sample, and I love it now that I have it in my house. Don't love what it did to my hair, but I think it is just lush. Tell me if you think it's lush and gorgeous. It feels lush and gorgeous. I need to fold it again because I hate it when I unfold fabric, and I hate unfolded fabric. It's one of my pet peeves. Yes, I know, Karina, I was probably saying something, and I went off my focus, didn't I, darling? You remind me all the time, stay focused, stay focused. Yeah, it's what it is, but it is really pretty. Directional. And so is the fabric that she got me to make her mother of the groom outfit in. I'm going to hang up now because I've got 4 meters to fold, and folding 4 meters can be a bit of a struggle when you're talking at the same time and looking down. Anyway, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with them both. The tweed fabric, I'm just waiting for Mr. Christopher to hurt himself. The tweed fabric, not waiting for him to do it, like watching with anticipation. There will be a photo taken if blood's pouring out of him, because I do photo first, close wound later. And yeah, so that tweed was 42 a meter. So that's why I only got 2, and I sort of kept it quite, this is a very classy shop, and they have classy fabrics like silks. And she's trying to put her silk back into her bag. Maybe I should just take a photo of it and put it into my thread loop thing. I showed somebody the other day my little app I have with all my stuff on it. She was really impressed. I showed her the original one I ever had, which has all my thingos in it. But yeah, I am quite happy with that. The dogs have just gone off and somebody's meant to be here, but I would have hoped that they would have come through the top gate, not the back gate. Anyway, I'm going to go because if there is somebody here, I won't be talking while I'm... Yep, somebody's definitely here because the dogs keep barking. I will see you later. I want you to stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. It's only a little quick 10 minutes. You guys are all going to fall off your chairs when you see I've done a 10-minute vlog. 10 minutes. 10 minute. Okay. Catch us later.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.